welcome YouTube, Cooper's Automotive, Timothy Cooper. I'm working on a 2005, it's a Dodge Sprinter diesel 2.7 liter. I don't want to get that confused. Y'all get mad at me when I say the wrong thing for some reason. Tongue twister, it's really stupid anyway. Sometimes we guess at the wrong engine size. So I had to replace the glow plugs, replaced all of them. One of them, it's not that the glow plug broke down in the stud inside of the vehicle, but the threads came out with the glow plug on this one, and there's a repair kit for that and fixing that problem. So I'm going to show you how that's done, and we'll proceed from there and show you some pictures. So stay tuned and watch closely. All right, this is the number 2 cylinder glow plug down in there, and it's already drilled out with the special drill kit. I'm going to show you that kit, and then we're going to install threads, an insert, and a glow plug. First off, the kit number on Amazon, it's Time Certs. I don't know if that's the proper number, customer bought it, 0322. And it comes with your inserts and the tools to do this. So first thing you're going to want to do is this tool right here is set up. Put it down in there. The way I approached it, let me see if I still have that here. It's lengthy down inside there to figure that out. So I put a 9mm on here backwards, 9mm socket on there, and I battery ratchet. Drilled it out all the way down until it sets the little taper for the insert right there. That's the first part, and then vacuum it out, clean it up. Then WD-40, PB Blast or something, lubricate down inside there. Then you want to use the thread install, and it's got its stop on it too, and that's this one right here. And I believe, yeah, that's 11mm fits it. Get your light in there. And start it like that. I'm going to use a regular ratchet for this, not any power tools on this. All right, so let's start. The bottom part kind of has a guide. It goes down into where the original glow plug went. And it bottoms out. And it's so deep down in there, you're not going to hit your piston. You don't even have to worry about it. I want to take a look at that and see how it looks. Okay, she looks really good. I like it. So it's threaded all the way through there. There is obviously metal down inside that we're going to have to get out. I am going to stop, clean it up, give you a picture of that. All right, I used my little vacuum cleaner, put down inside there. It sucks that out of there, and then clean it all up with that little DC vacuum cleaner that I have. I am going to see if I can get you a picture of it. Now that threading tool bottoms out right where you need it. I'm going to zoom in. or at least I thought it was. Anyway, let's see if I can get a picture of this darn thing. It's so hard to get a light on this hole. Well, crap. All right, right there. That's all the way through, everything cleaned up. Now you got to put the insert in there, right? So let's do that. They say you don't have to use Loctite or anything on the threads. I'm going to use a thread sealant because when you screw this in, what happens is the tool goes down past it and it actually pins the insert inside there. So I hope you can see this. Okay. Dropped it there a little bit. Knocking the camera around. Sorry about that. Trying to get you a close-up of this. Terrible flashlight that I'm using today. Trying to get it balanced in there. I'm just using an 8mm as soon as I get it lined up here. On the end of the tool that came with Timewise. See? To reach it, there we go. Wiggle it around till you get it started. All right, 1/4 inch. Run it down in there, then it fits the taper so it can't go past it. There we go. And then once you do that, well, that's slipping. So I got to get something that fits it a little tighter than that. Pause for station identification. Okay, when I put that insert tool in there for the threading, this one, it's so far down in it, it's hard to, length of getting anything on that. I was using an 8mm who slipped. I took a 1/4 inch extension, installed it like that. Took my tap and die of my gear wrench set and my wrench and did it like that. So I wanted to show you that. I'm inserting this into the video. Okay, what I did was take a 1/4 inch extension and my gear wrench tap and die set, and that way I could get the distance down inside there. See, I am really having light issues. I wish my flashlight would have charged up today. This would look a whole lot better. All right, just a few threads past it and take it back out. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Take a look at it, see what she looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but the insert's in there. It's against the taper, and she's ready to go. So next thing, obviously, is to install your glow plug. Let me get some tools out of my way and get that. All right, your new glow plug. Drop it down in there and torque it to 115 inch-pounds. It is a 10 millimeter. Sorry, I keep hitting that camera. I don't mean to. There we go. All right, so she's in there. And all you got to do now, obviously, is plug it in. That's right there. So some things that worried about me was I was worried about the guide of the tool going down in there. It's not an issue. Don't be afraid of it. Just make sure you go far enough to make a taper on it. And make sure you get all your metal vacuumed out. So that's your repair here on a 2005 Dodge Sprinter 2.7 Mercedes diesel glow plug thread repair. Thanks for watching.